And welcome to another edition of ProtoMet Tries. This is coming out a day earlier than originally anticipated, but that's because my schedule for this weekend kind of got jumbled up a bit. Don't worry, there will still be videos coming out tomorrow and Sunday, so look forward to that. But today I'm going to be trying Rapsnack's iconic premium noodle beef prime rib. Specifically, it is E40's variety. I don't know who E40 is. I'm not terribly familiar with rap. Just not my kind of music. I prefer J-pop or video game tunes. So anyway, let's give this a shot in 3, 2, 1. Here we are. This is hot. Set it down. Whew. Gonna peel back the lid. Can't really see much of anything in this. Gonna stir it up a bit. It looks like it's got corn, peas, some leeks, it looks like. Some sort of ring vegetable, carrots, maybe pieces of meat. I'm not sure. It does smell a bit beefy, yes. A tad bland, if I'm being honest. Not really getting much of a... I mean, it's got a bit of a beef flavor, but I'm not super thrilled about it. Like, I think there are better beef flavors out there. Maruchan springs to mind. There's nothing really that's wowing me about this. It may hurt a bit, but I'm going to try a bit of the broth. Broth tends to retain heat a bit better than the noodles, so it's going to be a bit warm. I mean, yeah, that's a brief broth, but again, I feel I've had it better. This isn't terrible, but I wouldn't be terribly inclined to pick it up again, to be honest. Which is a shame because I like ramen. And since this has microwave instructions, I could actually have this at work if I wanted to. since work doesn't have a hot water spigot anymore. So, getting like Maruchan instant lunches. You can't microwave those. They've specifically got instructions saying not to microwave them. But this does have microwave instructions. But it's, again, not really wowing me. I'm hoping the other two flavors can compensate. Well, the other two flavors I've got, I'm not sure how many flavors there are total. But find out a little over a week what the next flavor is. In any event, this is fine. It's not offensive, but I feel it could be better. In any event, if you want to give it a try, look for it. Wrap Snacks Icon Premium Noodles. Not really sure what's so premium about them, but whatever. So, until next time, this has been me, ProtoMet. See ya!